Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to explore different allotropes of sulfur. For this you are only going to need sulfur and a beaker of water. We start off by filling a small aluminum dish with sulfur and afterwards putting it onto the hot plate. The hot plate is turned on and we allow the sulfur to melt slowly. We poke the sulfur profusely with a glass rod to motivate it to melt. When slowly melting sulfur, you are going to get lambda sulfur at first. Here the sulfur rings are free to move. We took it off the hot plate and allowed it to solidify. Solid sulfur consists of rings of 8 sulfur atoms. Upon cooling, we are left with beta sulfur, which is also called monoclinic sulfur. The most common allotrope is rhombohedral or alpha sulfur. You are soon going to see that beta sulfur is not really that stable, and therefore I left the disc on a piece of paper and recorded a time lapse. Afterwards, the sulfur disc looked like this. It may still look the same to you even after the time lapse, which didn't turn out to be that good, but when compared to a freshly prepared disc of the sulfur, you can clearly see the difference. This one is much clearer than this one, which seems to be almost white. When you heat up the sulfur pretty strongly, at some point you are going to get a red goo. When this stuff is poured into water, mu sulfur, or also known as plastic sulfur, is obtained. This plastic sulfur behaves a bit like rubber and you can bend and manipulate it. Of course, there are a lot more allotropes of sulfur, but this was it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to drop me a like and consider subscribing to this channel for more stuff like this in the future. I wish all of you a nice day. Until next